Hey guys, what is going on? So today we're going to be talking about the iPhone XS. You guys already know what we're going to talk about. It's in the freaking title, dude. As you guys probably know, because you guys probably follow a lot of tech YouTubers, I would guess, I would imagine, like MKBHD, iJustine, people actually unboxing and reviewing the iPhone XS earlier, and you're like, wait 1 second, dude, it didn't even come out. The release day is on Friday. How did they get it so freaking early, dude? This happened last year as well. A lot of YouTubers like MKBHD, iJustine, and I'm pretty sure a couple more people. It was a very limited people that I saw at least that had them early, like probably like around a week early, just like around this time as well. And that was probably the first year that they started giving out iPhones earlier, which is a pretty good, I feel like it's a pretty good move by Apple. Except I'm kind of pissed about it at the same time, and I'll explain this in a second. The reason why I think it's a good idea for Apple to do this, for the company in general, is because obviously a lot of eyes are going to be on those channels, on MKBHD, iJustine, TLD Today, all those tech channels. They want people to get pumped about the iPhone XS and the XS Max. They want it to gain a lot of hype around it, because I feel like it wasn't that, I feel like it was pretty hyped, but they just want to make it even more hyped so they get better in sales. So yeah, that's the good thing for Apple. I mean, good for them. That's probably a good idea. The thing that I don't like about it though, is that when I get the iPhone X, when I do an unboxing about it, it's not gonna get as many people interested in it because they've already seen it. I bet a bunch of you guys have already seen an unboxing of the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. So when I do an unboxing, a smaller channel, people aren't gonna care because they're like, yo, I already saw this. Why would I even click on this? I have no control over it. There's nothing I can really do. And I'm still gonna do an unboxing video, guys, so don't even worry. If you're waiting for my unboxing video, which I doubt people are doing, then yo, shout out to you. It might be a little bit different, might be a little bit funnier. That's what I'm trying to do with this channel. Tech plus comedy, you know, mix them together. Why not? That's why I'm kind of pissed about it. Nothing I could do really about it though, but it's whatever. I'm still pumped about it. And another thing, guys, is that they got both of the models. They got the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. From the YouTubers that I've seen, like all of the phones that I've seen, they're gold. It feels like they're trying to hype up the color gold to make it obviously get more sales and stuff like that, because I haven't seen like an unboxing video of like a silver or space gray color. So that's what it seems like to me. They're just trying to hype it up, the gold color, a lot. Guessing they probably have to get them back later on, or maybe they don't. I don't really know how that works. But yeah, guys, I am super freaking excited about the freaking iPhone XS Max. It should be coming in the mail on Friday. I'm gonna try to get it so I can pick it up at the mail and then unbox it as earliest as I possibly can on Friday, because a lot of times the mail here comes at like 7 or 8 o'clock, and I'm like, yo, I'm trying to make a video. When it's 7, 8 o'clock, the lighting's gonna be trash, and I can't do that. And I might even stand in line. Maybe there's a small percent chance that I might stand in line and make a little vlog about it. It really depends on a lot of things. I probably won't, but I did that last year and it's pretty fun to do. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe, guys, if you support the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are hyped for the iPhone XS and the Apple Watch and all this stuff that's coming out. I know I am, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.